And with me is Diana. Hi. Today we're going to be playing a game called 60 Seconds. So, let's get a new game started. Let's do survival. So we're going to have to work together on this, which I think I'm okay with. What do you think, Diana? Just as long as you don't mess things up. I'll try not to. Day 1. Oh, it's just the ladies. We've got lots of food, good amount of water. We don't have a radio. We got a gas mask. So, feed and water them every 5 days. That's what I've heard is good. Alrighty. We should probably scavenge. Okay, so there's a fire. We might as well save the only thing we have for the fire. Oh, nothing got damaged. That's good. Let's take Mary Jane out because we need the adults to win the game. So yeah, this is a girls' run. Which is good because the both of us are girls. What do you think, Diana? Do you think we could spare some soup cans? I mean, we have plenty, so we might as well. I do not condone gambling, mostly. Let's see. Oh, we won. So we have plenty of food. Well, we got a radio. Oh, I know this one. Apparently there's a dog. But we don't have everything for the dog. We don't have a med kit. There it is. There's the dog. I wonder where Mary Jane is. Yeah, let's open the door. It might be a family member. Oh, it was a prank. I hate pranks. Yeah, let's listen to the radio. Oh, here's Mary Jane. Wonder what she brought back. She brought back the gas mask. She didn't bring back anything! Oh well, let's give her food and water. There's a phone call. Let's send the mother. She has that motherly voice. What was that? Alright, they're survivors of Hill Valley. We're not gonna check it out. I heard a dog bark. Is our dog friend back? Oh no, they've gone insane. Great. We're gonna need to scavenge again and get a med kit if we want to get out of here. Yes, let's talk to your daughter, Dolores. And they're still nuts. This is just great. Yeah, let's give her the ammo. More knocking. Who could it be now? Oh, they're exchanging water. Let's see. We could use the water. I don't think we need the cards anymore, so let's get rid of the cards. There's a suitcase. Let's not open it. It might be booby-trapped. Ha! You said trap! Oh, Mary Jane's fully rested. Should we send her to scavenge? That's a rhetorical question. Of course we should. So, the military is coming. Let's give Mary Jane some food and water before we send her out. And let's send her out with the gas mask. Yeah, because we need some supplies if we want to get that dog. Oh, the dog is back. Let's use that map and see what we get. We got more food. 3 cans of food. Oh, we've got, because of the scout handbook, we were able to get into a locked car. They are politely requesting that we share some of our supplies. Why not? We have plenty of soup. We don't have any weapons. What happens when the raiders come? Well, let's hope Mary Jane brings stuff back. And we lost a can of food. We don't have any of these things. Oh, well then, I guess. No, let's not. Hey, Mary Jane is back! And she's still crazy. Wonder what she brought. I see a med kit. 4 cans of soup and a med kit. So we can get the dog. What we need is water. Oh, it's Mary Jane's birthday, but we need the med kit. It says Mary Jane needs more food, so let's spare her some. On a date. You don't need to go on a date right now. The dog is back! Yep, we need the med kit for that, and now we have a dog! And they're all sane again because of the dog. Sorry, but we don't have a gun. And now someone's at the door. Oh! There are people looking for a cup, but they need a map. Thankfully, we have a map! They gave us an axe! Well, we've got defense now. Just reading through the stuff. We don't need whatever's in the bag. We're doing pretty okay. Although we do need water. And we need a med kit. Great. Mary Jane, get better, please, so that we can send you out to scavenge. Yeah, let's let her go on a walk. Maybe she'll bring something back. I mean, we could spare soup, right, Diana? Yes. Is that Mary Jane? Oh, she's back! Wonder if she brought anything back. No, she didn't. Oh well, let's give them food and water. Yeah, let's let her go. And the dog is barking. Hey, we got a harmonica! Righty. She's still tired. Yeah, let's let Pancake out. Sorry about the rustling. I was in a position where my foot fell asleep. He brought us That is exactly what we need. Nah, let's not look into it. I know this scenario. We could get something really cool happen. And it didn't happen. We thought we were gonna get mutant Mary Jane. Alrighty, let's feed and water them. Sure, why not? Pancake's gone! Oh, this isn't looking good. Oh, Diana, why'd you think to open the door? I thought it'd be rescue or something. I am sad now we lost the dog. We got a can of soup. I want Pancake back. We are not making that mistake again. We are not stealing from anyone. Well, too bad we don't have a med kit. And they're all tired. This is just great. I mean, we could use supplies, so let's see what's in the safe. Did we even get anything? We got a suitcase. Mary Jane, you're the musician. You have the tuba. Use that harmonica. Mary Jane, you go look for treasure. We're on day 50 and still no rescue. Did we even get anything? We found nothing. Food, water. They're still too tired to go anywhere. Why not? We have food. What the? We've got a kitty cat! Well, too bad we don't have a med kit. So we traded one pet for another. Yeah, let's play that harmonica. Maybe we could get something out of it. What the? Now we've got cockroaches? What is going on? Well, if Dolores wants it, then she can go get it. They're all fully rested. Maybe it's the military? It was the military! We got saved! The girls have won! Well, I guess this was all right. We only spent 55 days. Well, that is a lot, but we didn't do too much. So, thank you all for watching. If you want us to play more games, let us know which games you want to watch us play. We do have Papers, Please. We have a few other games too, but let us know what we should play, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Say bye, Diana.